Well, let's move on to the national capital, and tension gripped the central parts of the city after a large-scale demolition drive was carried out near a mosque. More than 30 bulldozers were deployed to remove illegal encroachment that had taken place on the Ram Leela ground, triggering a face-off between the locals and the police. The officials have gone ahead and said a few miscreants resorted to stone pelting, following which the police had no choice but to use tear gas in order to disperse the crowd. Authorities clarified that while the mosque land measuring 0.0195 acres is legal, over 4,000 square yards of the adjoining Ram Leela ground had been illegally encroached, with a banquet hall, library and diagnostic centre constructed there. These structures have now been demolished. The Delhi police has registered an FIR against unknown people. They have detained 10 people in this case, and they are identifying others who were responsible for stone pelting using CCTV and body cam footage.
Police was deployed when the time of demolition. Otherwise, local police, जितना हमारे area में patrolling करते हैं, they were always there.
So, what are the sections under which the FIR has been registered? If you can please tell that.
Under section 221, 132, 121, 191, section 2, 191, section 3, 223A, 35 BNS and 3 PD PP Act 1984.
How many accused have been detained so far?
5.
5 have been detained. Sir, the CCTV cameras and body cam cameras are also used to identify?
Yeah, we are in the process of doing that.
So, all the angles will be probed whether it was pre-planned or not?
It's all subject to further investigation.
Thank you so much.
एरिया है, क्योंकि मेरा खुद का जन्म उधर का ही है। गुलचा के पीछे उधर हमने भी देखा कई एरिया हैं जो एंक्रोचमेंट बढ़ती गई है वहां पर, और मैं बधाई देता हूं एमसीडी को भी और बाकी तमाम डिपार्टमेंट्स को जिन्होंने एंक्रोचमेंट ड्राइव्स को लिया होगा। तो इसके ऊपर अगर कोई भी सरकारी उस पर इस तरह की पत्थरबाजी या कुछ करेगा, उस पर कानून के दायरे में जो भी एक्शन होगा सरकार एक्शन लेगी।
मंदिर का ये मस्जिद का जो पूरा कॉम्प्लेक्स था, इसमें एक डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर था जो कि 2 मंजिल बना हुआ था। साथ में पीछे ये बारात घर था जिसको हमने तोड़ा है, और पूरी सराउंडिंग में भी इस तरह की ऊंची ऊंची दीवारें, 2 मंजिल की दीवारें थी। ये हमने रात भर ऑपरेशन चलाकर लगभग 12-1 बजे के आसपास हमारा ऑपरेशन शुरू हुआ था। उसके बाद हमने अब तक का ये स्ट्रक्चर पूरा क्लियर कर दिया है। ये मलबा जो रह गया है इसको क्लियर करने में हमें थोड़ा समय लगेगा, और जैसे ही मलबा क्लियर हो जाएगा जो बचे हुए स्ट्रक्चर है हम इसको नीचे गिरा देंगे।
अच्छा, एक चीज़ और बताइए, मस्जिद की कितनी ज़मीन थी जो कि वैध पाई गई है, जिस पर बनी हुई मस्जिद है? बाकी और कितनी ज़मीन थी?
जी, जैसा कि कोर्ट में जो भी सबूत पेश किए गए, मंदिर की ज़मीन 0.195 एकड़ थी, जिसे जी 0.195, उसको छोड़कर बाकी स्ट्रक्चर सारा अवैध था। बहुत मंदिर या मस्जिद कमेटी को काफ़ी मौके भी दिए गए कोई और पेपर प्रूफ करने के, लेकिन मस्जिद कमेटी के पास कोई ऐसा पेपर नहीं था। इसके अलावा जितना भी स्ट्रक्चर था वो अवैध था। कोर्ट के द्वारा आदेश था कि तो तोड़ा जाए, उस पर हमने कार्रवाई की।
Well, currently the Rapid Action Force is carrying out a flag march in all those lanes which are said to be the sensitive zone after there was a stone pelting, after this entire area in fact has been turned. You can see that how there have been barricades all along on my left, right and center, and in fact here also we can see that how these are the RPF jawans who are RAF jawans who have in fact been now carrying out a flag march so as to take the situation under control. However, they are also in fact instructing to the people, to the individuals over here to in fact move inside their houses and not to in fact step out of their houses. They are also in fact giving continuous instructions so as to not move from one place to another, because as of now the area remains to be sensitive, keeping in mind the seriousness of the issue, as we saw that how there were continuous stone pelting. However, the situation was quickly took under control. The tear gas shells were also fired, and minutes before we report there were also tear gas shells were filed, because the residents over here were very much adamant so as to they were continuously trying to step out of their houses, and that's why in fact you can see that the RAF is also in fact instructing them to move inside and not to step out of their houses. You can see that also in fact now there is a slight light confrontation between the cops and the residents, who in fact say that we will be going from this very area, but the RAF in fact has been telling them not to move move or come out from this very gate. They have been equipped with all the safety measures as well, because at any point of time the situation could escalate. And as just we saw that to take the situation under control as well, the tear gas shell was also fired minutes back from the very location where we are reporting right now. Minute to minute updates and ground zero reporting we will be getting you all as far as this entire incident is concerned. With video journalist Arun Negi, this is Tejri for NDTV from Delhi.
We are standing outside the Faiz-e-Ilahi Mosque. This is the very mosque what we have seen that the illegal structure was over here, and one was the clinic, and apart from that, the second thing was the marriage hall, which was functional over here for a very long time. And the illegal structure over here, which was built just outside the mosque, the mosque area is approximately 0.195 acre, and outside the structure has completely been demolished by the MCD in a late night operation, in which what we have seen that the demolition work basically began at around 1:45 a.m. in which what we have seen that over 30 bulldozers were used, and there were 300 MCD staff workers who were present at that point in time when that entire work was going on. Here you can see that still the MCD bulldozers are basically being used over here to remove the debris which have been basically collected during the demolition drive. What we have seen that the police team tried to control the situation, in which there were 5 policemen who have got injured as well, in which what we have also seen that the SHO of this region has also been basically got injured. Right now he's in hospital, and while speaking to the media, what we have seen is the senior police officials have also said that they are going to file an FIR in connection with the matter, and they will look into all the CCTV cameras installed in the nearby region, and they have already collected the DVRs from the various spots, and those CCTV footages will be identified, and after that they will identify the individuals who were basically pelted stones on the policemen. The illegal area which was basically encroached upon by the mosque committee has completely been destroyed, has completely been removed, and here you can see the entire debris of this very area which was basically built just outside the 0.195 acre land has completely been demolished by the district administration and the MCD over here. With video journalist Sushil Akil for NDTV 24/7.
Right, and also getting you where this all started, NDTV was the only channel at the location when this incident took place at midnight. Here's an exclusive report with my colleague Ashwin.
दिल्ली के तुर्कमान गेट के पास स्थित फैज़-ए-इलाही मस्जिद के जो अतिक्रमण था उसको रात को 2 बजे करीब दिल्ली पुलिस और MCD की पूरी संयुक्त कार्रवाई में तोड़ दिया गया। और मेरे पीछे आप जो देख रहे हैं तमाम करीब 20 से ज़्यादा बुलडोज़र और डंपर की गाड़ियां लगी हुई हैं। सभी नगर निगम के करीब 12 नगर निगम जोन की पूरी टीमें यहाँ पर लगातार काम कर रही हैं। आधे घंटे से ये पूरे बुलडोज़र एक्शन की कार्रवाई चल रही है। 2 बुलडोज़र आपको ये जो मेन गेट है यही रोड है जो आगे मस्जिद की तरफ जाता है, और यही गेट था, मेन गेट था जिसके ज़रिए आप जो बारात घर और डिस्पेंसरी बनाई गई थी जो अवैध था उसका ये गेट था। ये उसी मेन गेट को अभी यहाँ पर बुलडोज़र एक्शन के ज़रिए गेट को पहले तोड़ा गया है, और ये जो दीवार है ये मेन गेट की दीवार है, और उसके पीछे अगर आप देखेंगे तो बुलडोज़र की कार्रवाई के ज़रिए बुलडोज़र के ज़रिए पूरी दीवार को तोड़ दिया गया। और इस दीवार के जो पीछे का हिस्सा है वो हिस्सा ही जो आगे चल के रामलीला मैदान है उसको जोड़ता है। देखिए बुलडोज़र की लगातार आप जहां देखेंगे कैमरा विजुअल्स में आपको दिखाएंगे, हर जगह आपको बुलडोज़र और डंपर की गाड़ियां दिखेंगी, जहां पर एक बुलडोज़र के जरिए पहले दीवारों को तोड़ा गया, उस मलबे को उठाकर इन डंपर की गाड़ियों में भरा जा रहा ताकि इन्हें खाली करके पूरे इलाके को साफ कर दिया जाए, क्योंकि अभी रात के 2 बज रहे हैं और पूरी कोशिश है प्रशासन की, MCD की, कि इस पूरे एरिया को सुबह होने से पहले ही खाली कर दिया जाए। और क्योंकि हाई कोर्ट का आदेश था, कोर्ट का आदेश था, उसी के आदेश का पालन करने के कारण ही दिल्ली पुलिस और MCD की टीम ने ये जो अवैध था, अतिक्रमण था जो बारात घर मस्जिद से सटा हुआ, उस पूरे इंक्रोचमेंट को रात 2 बजे आज गिरा दिया है।